Hey first grade, so we are making nature portraits this week. So it could be a portrait of you, which would be a self-portrait, or it could be a portrait of somebody else, or maybe a pet. Maybe it's a whole family portrait. I don't know. It's up to you. But you're going to go outside and collect nature items. So I always say this, try to find things that are already on the ground. Try not to pick from anything that's growing and living. Try to find things that are just on the ground that would be good to glue down to a surface. Twigs, leaves, grass, maybe flower petals. So I'm going to go outside quick and collect my nature items, and I'll be right back to make my portrait.